Hi YouTube, what's going on? Crazyncman back for a brand new series on here called Is It LiPo Ready? Now I get a lot of questions every day, questions and comments about is my gun LiPo ready? Can I use an 11.1 volt LiPo? Yada yada, are the new JG 2010 really LiPo ready? I get a ton of those questions and I'm just sick of hearing them. So we're going to start putting them to the test to see if your gun actually will stand up to a LiPo battery. So I decided a good place to start would be with the old famous, from one of my original videos, the Crosman Pulsar 72. Since it is a plastic gearbox, plastic gears, cheap a gun as you can get, we're going to see how long it's going to stand up to a LiPo battery. Magazine number 1, 375 rounds. Yeah, it sounded a little squirrely, but it's still holding on. Ooh, that's not good when the beat is. Oh, single shot's already going. It's already going. It's going to make mag 1. The BB's rolling out of the barrel. Getting a lot more BBs coming out of the target than I imagined. I filled the bottom full of cloth, then a layer of foam, and then about 9 layers of cardboard. Oh, the camera almost takes a hit. Gonna have to close the door. We got BBs flying everywhere. Kids, don't try this at home. Yep. Alright, let's reload. That's magazine 1, 375 rounds. Here we go, it's magazine number 2. This is absolutely destroying that target. The magazine here is definitely having a hard time keeping up with it. Is the, you guys watching on the live show, is the sound too annoying? You want me to turn it down a little? The pistol grip's actually starting to get hot, the hand grip. Oh, it's starting to stink. Yeah. Yeah, it's starting to smell really bad. Ooh, this magazine's definitely junk. Goes to show you, you can't use an 11.1 volt LiPo in a cheap magazine because it can't keep up at all. Oh, there it goes. Almost 2 mags. Don't forget to clear your weapon when you're done. Real quick, on the live show, live show, YouTube. Sorry, I forgot to leave. I left you guys on the target the whole time. You didn't get to see me wind in that magazine as fast as I could. Alright, well here it is. We got the gearbox out of the old Crosman Pulsar 72 after the 600 rounds of 11.1 volt LiPo battery. It actually doesn't look bad at all. It was right here. The shaft the gear rides on, you can't really, I don't think I'm going to pick this up, but the failure was right here. Is it melted? It started to heat this up and it actually pushed it, it pulled this whole pin. This pin would ride in here on that gear. This thing came out, it started to heat up and it just drug it through the plastic. You can see a whole, like I said, I don't know how good the camera is going to pick up. But you can see right there, that's what actually happened to the gun. The shaft came out where it normally rides in this housing. It started to heat it up, and then it just drug it sideways and the gears stopped contacting each other. But you can see where it went sideways and it just buzzed this gear right here. So that's what happened. Shaft melted the housing, gear went sideways, buzzed off a few teeth, and the gearbox. Alright, as you can see from that video, your Crosman Pulsar 72 is not LiPo ready. Of course, what do we expect? Plastic gearbox, plastic gears. What do you want? We knew the outcome of that one. I'm kind of surprised it didn't make it more than 600 rounds. But anyways, that's the first video in the old installment of Is It LiPo Ready? Like I said, we're going to start at the bottom with that, and we'll work our way up. Next, we'll get into some clone AEGs that have metal gears, metal gearbox, and we'll put them through the test, 11.1 volt LiPo, see how they stand up. And then the last thing too, don't forget, every Saturday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, AirsoftPlayerTV.com goes live. You can see yours truly on my live show every Saturday night at 8 o'clock. Like I said in the beginning, that video here, we actually were recording the YouTube video during the live show. So if you haven't seen it yet, come on over. AirsoftPlayerTV.com every Saturday night at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. We'll see you there.